It's a 2014 Dodge Challenger. Come on, let's get real. Muscle wins every time, and this Challenger delivers. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. HEMI engine, gas pressurized shocks, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, keyless go, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, manual telescoping steering column. You connect with Bluetooth, and manual transmission. Motor Trend reports, fear not Mopar mavens. Despite every exterior surface being different, the production Challenger is a near clone of the fervor-building Showstar, sporting necessary alterations that do little to diminish the shape's impact. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.